Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, LuvNailsNicole. And today, as you can see, I have a haul for you guys. It is another Dollar Tree haul. I recently went, and when I went essential shopping, I also picked up a few extra things that I came across. The first one I'm going to start with is this one because it's big and in the way. These are chopping mats, and I use these for my mats on my nail table, like this pink one here. This is a chopping mat. It came with one pink, one blue. I haven't seen these colored ones. I got this a long time ago, and I haven't seen the colored ones lately, but they did have the clear ones, which is just fine. You get 2 in the pack, and these work perfect. I even use acetone to clean my mat off when I spill nail polish and stuff on it, and it doesn't ruin it or anything. So it's a good placemat for doing your nails on if you guys are looking for something like that. Go to Dollar Tree and pick up the chopping mats in the household aisle. It's really big. I can't even get the whole thing in the camera. There's it's 11 inches by 14, and it says you can do crafts on it here, so it's perfect. I picked up these phone cases. Of course, I had to have this one. They're super thin, so I wouldn't suggest, like, if you were, going somewhere that you may drop your phone, I would not suggest them because they're very thin, but they're cute. Maybe for when you're taking a mirror selfie or something, I don't know. Just see, they're really thin, but for a buck, couldn't pass it up. This is so pretty. I got this one, a marble one, this glitter one, and then I also have a all clear see-through one, and they come in most of the packages are like this. Yeah, really cute. Look at the sparkle, pretty. I got this one for my birthday. Then in the craft aisle, they had this is called by Crafter Square Embossing Stylus is what they call it. We in the nail world call it a dotting tool, because as you can see, it has a small end for dots, and then this end there's a bigger end. So it says double-ended small and medium ends, and this was new. They have a whole new aisle with craft stuff in it, and I was really surprised to see this, so I grabbed that. And it's cute. It's pink and white. They had their 100% acetone nail polish remover pumps by Sassy Chic. Spill proof pump, extra strength with the locking lid. Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah, so it locks. So turn the cap to the right to remove the trigger lock. Lift the lid and push with a cotton ball. There we go. So you just turn it and it's ready to go. Cute. I like the little locking lid because then you can travel with it so it won't push down. So they had non-acetone and acetone in these, and these are 6 fluid ounces, so it's a good size. See, it's about the size of my hand. They had the Wet n Wild gel lip balms. These are really nice. I like just this regular clear one, but they did have different colors. It says First Gel Lip Balm, when it's the sheer and glossy, and this is the only one that I usually use. So this was a good find. Even the cashier was like, "Where'd you get that? I'm gonna go get one now." And I don't know if I showed y'all I had got this when I was doing my my nail tips. I went to the store a couple days later and I found the colors I was looking for, so I picked up a pink one that I'll use for my other tips, or either some like nail rhinestones and stuff. I'm not sure yet, but I picked up a pink one. This was also in the craft aisle where I found the dotting tool. They had some Scoonchy hair clips, and I love this brand, so this was a good find there. 2 little hair clips, and they're cute, frosted white and a peach color. Oh, this is something else I also got to put on when I'm doing nail art, like stamping and stuff, or just to keep on my nail table to put this stuff on top of. I'm gonna lay this out. It's just a easy liner. It's supposed to be for your refrigerator, but it comes with 2 pieces, and you can measure it and cut it to place. And I was thinking of just lining it on top of the plastic that I have on my nail table. and then put my mat on top of this. And this is by the Duck brand, which is the duct tape brand. So it's really good, and it has a what's it called, a non-slip bottom to it. So I'm gonna try this out on my nail table. Then of course you guys know I have to get some facial stuff. Oh wait, I did get some more. I got these 100-piece elastics. One, because I'll make a video and show you guys of the mask that I learned how to make out of a bandana, and then I got these elastics to do it with. So they're super duper thin, but I use them for all kind of things. So like when I'm blow drying my hair, parting it or something, I use these. But it came with 100. Let's see if y'all can see them. They're all over here. Where are they? Right here. I took them loose because I used some already, but yeah, you get 100 in all of these different colors. So I picked that up too. I found some blemish patches. It says absorbs oil and residue. Here helps clear blemishes overnight while you sleep. Non-medicated and targets problem area. 24 count. So I will be testing these out soon. I haven't opened them and tried them yet. Tells you on the back how to use them. There's 2 different sizes, which is great. And it shows you what it does here. Let's see. Open it up and see what they look like. Okay. So that's what they look like. So I'll let you guys, update you guys on that. Also picked up a Stardust with glitter peel-off mask, brightening and hydrating treatment. Amethyst and Superberry Complex for intense glow and hydration by Bio Miracle Skin Therapy. So yeah, I probably will do this on camera and show you guys how this worked also, but it looks so pretty. They had it in 2 different colors. I can't remember what the other color is. And then of course I had to get some Bolero products. So I got the Bolero Complexion Perfection Jelly Face Mask in chamomile and rose petal. It says helps calm cranky skin and redness using this soothing blend to restore skin balance. So yeah, I'm gonna be testing this out. I love some good facial stuff. My favorite, I see they have new packaging and they're bigger. If you guys remember, I always share the wipes with you, and they're like maybe about this size of this opener. They're usually smaller packaging, but these are all new. They had all different kinds. So I got the Brighten Up Vitamin C plus Peptide Blend, and it's still 32 count in them. And then I also got the Lemon Peel Cleanup Crew cleansing facial wipes, and the packaging is so cute, and I just love using these. Favorite. I picked up these Spa April Bath and Shower. This one is a foot mask, ultra moisturizing, nourishing, and softening. Comes with 1 pair. You leave them on for 15 to 30 minutes. You could use them 3 to 5 times a week, but this is only a one-time use. And I also picked up the hand and nail gloves, nourishing, softening and uplifting. It contains 1 pair as well. And yeah, so you guys know I'll definitely try these out, film that, and let you guys know how they work. I can't wait to try these too, especially the foot mask. I've never done a foot mask before, so yeah. What else? Oh, I got this. I found an e.l.f. eyeliner with sharpener on it. It says brightening eyeliner in the color black. Good. I got some cotton balls. Because I have in my nail cart drawer, I have a space where I keep all cotton balls. Let's see, I'll take you guys over there. Hold on. We'll refill it. Oh, hold on. Open this first. Oh, it says it comes with 100 cotton balls in it. Okay. This is my drawer. I like to just fill it up with it slow. Okay. Oh yeah, and I got this. It's called an egg white bedtime sleeping mask. I almost forgot about this. It says overnight anti-aging, which I need because I'm getting older. But I thought it just looked cute and fun. So I think I'm going to try this out tonight. It comes with 4 facial treatments in it. It's by Spa Life. Let's see. Spa Life sleeping masks contain anti-aging cream with rejuvenating egg whites. Mix both cream and gel. Oh, so you have to mix the cream and gel. Apply a thin layer to clean face and neck. Wait 20 minutes until fully absorbed and leave on overnight. Upon awakening, rinse off with lukewarm water. So yeah, I have a few new goodies to try out for facials. And of course, I will update you guys on all of the goodies that I got. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I'm tripping. I forgot to show you guys nail polish. Hold on. The main thing. I was leaving that for last and almost forgot. So first, these two are from Family Dollar, and they have them on clearance for 50 cents. They were regular, just $1. You get a little mini nail file with it and a polish. This one's really pretty. So is this one. Is there names on them? You would see it if I take it out of here, but I thought this was a good find, 2 for $1. And then I picked up these that I showed you guys. I think I did a video of in the Dollar Tree, and I showed you guys that they had the newly packaging One Step Wet n Wilds. I don't know if I shared these. Have I shared what I bought with y'all, or only in the store? I can't remember, but I picked up these two, and I feel like I shared with y'all already. I can't remember, but I got by Felicia, and what's this one? Don't Be Jelly. So I think they're so cute. I wouldn't mind replacing all of my others with these, but they're so perfect size for storage. So yeah, okay you guys, yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. If so, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will come back with some more hauls for you guys. Make sure you subscribe if you are not subscribed. I see that I lost a subscriber or 2 since the contest, and I knew that was going to happen. And y'all, if you guys are watching and you were the winners, please do let me know when you guys receive your mats. I want to make sure that they get to you, because I know that the mail is taking such a long time nowadays with the coronavirus going on. So I want to make sure that everything got to you guys. So yeah, just let me know in the comments if you guys have received your bonus prize and my main prize winner. Hope to hear from you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for subscribing, watching, and hitting that like button. Y'all have a great day. See you later.